Quite a bit of rain across northern Kentucky. We've had storms and still do this morning, although they've all been sub-severe. There were a few warnings over southern Indiana early this morning, and then as that round came in, it's mainly just been heavy rain and some gusty wind. You can see up north and east, it's ongoing. In fact, they just had a severe thunderstorm warning that was canceled getting into southern Ohio for that round that just left Kentucky. And as we drop south, we're seeing additional development, showers, some occasional thunderstorms into our southern counties. So it's not just here across northern Kentucky and central Kentucky. We're starting to see some development down south. So watch out. We have an active morning on the way. The total lightning strikes showing 348. They were up to about 2,200 earlier this morning over southern Indiana when this thing was peaking. So what's up is, well, the cold front is settling in. So we've got these repeated rounds, one here and then additional waves back to the west along this boundary. And these are going to continue to fire, run that boundary. And the marginal risk for today pretty much mirrors where that frontal boundary will be. As it slowly settles in, we're going to take multiple hits. It's good in a way. We need the precipitation. We were edging into a drought, and this should help at least halt it. I don't know about turning it around, but definitely slow it down. Now, the real question is, will everybody see it? Because right now it's been very hit or miss. Well, the future track, after this morning round diminishes and tracks east, we will see this front sagging south. By later on this evening, I think will be our best potential for the most widespread coverage. Showers, thunder showers, a few strong severe storms possible with hail, damaging wind, and torrential rain. Heavy enough rain, we may see some localized flash flooding. I think that'll be our shot at the most widespread coverage within the LAX 18 viewing area. And then tomorrow, as that front sags south, I think the focus is going to start to shift with it toward the Tennessee border and then eventually push southeast and out of here just in time for the weekend. So there's some good news as well. There's the percentage drop. The rain chance drops going into the weekend and then rises late in the weekend, early next week. So nice timing on that. 72 degrees. Temperatures also are going to take a hit, as well as the dew point. That's going to come down. So it'll be cooler. It'll be less humid. It's still pretty muggy out there. We've got dew points in the mid to upper 60s this morning. And look at the forecast. Instead of talking about days and days and days in the 90s, which is what we just went through, we're getting into the 80s and staying there all the way into next week. So that's some welcome change. Forecast highs right around the mid 80s today for a lot of folks. Morning and then again evening, showers and storms with a pretty healthy break in between, late morning, early afternoon. Tonight, those showers and storms ongoing, and some of that rain could be on the torrential side. And then you can see into the weekend, the shower and storm chances drop. Temperature bottoms out around the low 80s. Saturday is probably going to be the pick day of the weekend. I think we may see at least a few showers and storms trying to latch on Sunday evening. Better chance, though, into early next week.